Warren Buffett is an American investor, business magnate, and philanthropist. He is one of the most successful investors in the world and is widely regarded as a legendary figure in the financial industry. Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930 and began investing in stocks at a young age. He went on to attend the University of Nebraska and later the Columbia Business School, where he was mentored by the legendary value investor Benjamin Graham. Buffett is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, a conglomerate that owns a diverse portfolio of companies including Geico, Duracell, and Dairy Queen. Under Buffett's leadership, Berkshire Hathaway has become one of the largest and most successful companies in the world, with a market capitalization of over $500 billion. Buffett is also known for his philanthropy, having pledged to donate over 99% of his wealth to charitable causes. In 2010, he and Bill Gates launched the Giving Pledge, a campaign to encourage the world's wealthiest people to donate the majority of their wealth to charity. Throughout his career, Buffett has been known for his disciplined approach to investing and his focus on finding undervalued companies with strong long-term growth potential. He is also famous for his folksy, down-to-earth demeanor and his oft-quoted investment advice, such as, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. In the business world, the rearview mirror is always clearer than the windshield. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Our favorite holding period is forever. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you'll do things differently. You only have to do a very few things right in your life so long as you don't do too many things wrong. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. The best investment you can make is in yourself. You do things when the opportunities come along. I've had periods in my life when I've had a bundle of ideas come along, and I've had long dry spells. If I get an idea next week, I'll do something. If not, I won't do a damn thing. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours and you'll drift in that direction. If you're in the luckiest 1% of humanity, you owe it to the rest of humanity to think about the other 99%. I don't look to jump over 7-foot bars. I look around for 1-foot bars that I can step over. Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. Opportunities come in frequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. Whether we're talking about socks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise when it is marked down. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. These quotes offer insights into Buffett's approach to personal growth, taking advantage of opportunities, the importance of values, and the mindset of successful people. It's not necessary to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. The only way to get love is to be lovable. It's very irritating if you have a lot of money. You'd like to think you could write a check, "I'll buy $1 million worth of love." But it doesn't work that way. The more you give love away, the more you get. You will continue to suffer if you have an emotional reaction to everything that is said to you. True power is sitting back and observing things with logic. True power is restraint. If words control you, that means everyone else can control you. Breathe and allow things to pass. If you aren't thinking about owning a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. The biggest risk in investing is not price volatility, but whether you will suffer a permanent loss of capital. The best thing I did was choose the right heroes. I never attempt to make money on the stock market. I buy on the assumption that they could close the market the next day and not reopen it for 5 years. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. You need a temperament that neither derives great pleasure from being with the crowd or against the crowd. When a management team with a reputation for brilliance tackles a business with a reputation for bad economics, it is the reputation of the business that remains intact. These quotes offer further insights into Buffett's approach to investing, personal growth, managing risk, the importance of character, and his observations on the stock market and business management. Please comment below and give us suggestions on what you prefer to watch, and also rate us out of 10. Please like and share to help us grow and improve in the future.